Welcome to Hallstatt, a charming village nestled on the shores of Lake Hallstatt, renowned for its stunning natural beauty and rich history. Explore the cobblestone streets of Hallstatt's historic center, where colorful houses, adorned with flower boxes, exude old-world charm and invite leisurely strolls. Admire the picturesque Evangelical Church of Hallstatt, perched atop a hillside and offering panoramic views of the serene lake below. Descend into the depths of history with a visit to the Hallstatt Salt Mines, where you can learn about the ancient salt mining techniques that have shaped the region for millennia. Immerse yourself in Hallstatt's rich cultural heritage at the Hallstatt Museum, home to artifacts dating back to the Iron Age and offering insight into the village's fascinating past. Embark on a scenic boat cruise on Lake Hallstatt, gliding past towering mountains and idyllic lakeside villages, with the sound of lapping waves as your soundtrack. Venture to the nearby Dockstein Ice Cave, a natural wonderland of glittering ice formations and underground chambers, offering a cool respite from the summer heat. Whether you're captivated by its breathtaking scenery, intrigued by its ancient history, or simply charmed by its idyllic ambience, Hallstatt offers a glimpse into a world of timeless beauty and tranquility. Come experience the magic of this enchanting village on the shores of Lake Hallstatt